Hindi isinasantabi ng House Committee on Justice ang posibilidad na muling magpasaklodo sa Korte Suprema si Vice President Sara Duterte laban sa impeachment proceedings. Sa pulong balitaan matapos na ideklarang sufficient in grounds ang dalawang impeachment complaints, sinabi ni Justice Panel Chairperson Jervil Luistro na hindi malabong iakyat ni Duterte ang usapin sa Supreme Court, lalo't nakita naman sa inihain nitong sagot sa Kamara na hindi tinugunan ang bawat alegasyon. Sa halip, nag-akusa si VP Sara na nilabag ang due process. Punto ni Luistro, hindi mapipigilan ang full impeachment hearings hanggat walang temporary restraining order o TRO.
We will simply proceed. Kung walang TRO, kung walang temporary restraining order, at kung wala namang adverse declaration pa, ang Supreme Court on the legality or constitutionality of our proceeding, this is a constitutional duty. So, we have to continue hearing the impeachment complaint.
Nilinaw din ni Luistro na tanging ang committee members ang makakapag-direct at cross-examination at walang magiging trabaho ang mga abogado, lalo na kung hindi sisipot ang kliyente.
Ang tanong ko, how can the lawyer assist if the client is not present? Her presence during the hearing proper and even her presentation of evidence is actually part of her right to due process. As to whether he will avail of the same, it depends on her. That is an option that belongs to the respondent. But as to your question, what will happen to the lawyer if the respondent is not around? According to the rules, only the justice members are allowed to conduct direct examination and cross-examination. So I wish to raise the same question. How will the lawyer participate, or how will the lawyer assist? Actually, they're not allowed to participate.
Muling tiniyak ng Justice Committee na bibigyan ng sapat na pagkakataon si VP Sara para magpresenta ng ebidensya at sagutin ang mga aligasyon. Magsisimula na sa March 25 ang impeachment hearing proper. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Haji Caaminio ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, the Music and News Authority.